Hi everyone, I'm Ravi Handa, founder of the website handagafunda.com. Welcome to another solved example on logical reasoning. In this one, we are given Princess, Queen, Rani, and Samragni. So basically, P, Q, R, S are four finalists in a dance competition. Ashman, Badal, Gagan, and Dew. So A, B, G, D are four music composers who individually assigned items to the dancers. Each dancer had to individually perform in two dance items assigned by different composers. The first items performed by the four dancers were all assigned by different music composers. So basically, you can say that there were two rounds. In round 1, PQRS were assigned ABGD in some order, and in round 2, PQRS were assigned ABGD in some other order. But the idea is that suppose P got A in round 1, then P cannot get A again in round 2. It has to be one out of B, G, and D. No dancer performed her second item before the performance of the first item by any other dancers. So basically, if you think about it, it is more of a linear arrangement than a grid one because you will have first four PQRS and then PQRS will repeat. Round 1 and round 2 will be maintained. Some additional facts which are known. No composer who assigned item to princess assigned any item to queen. That means that P and Q among themselves covered all A, B, G, D. Why? Because P needs one for round 1 and one for round 2. Q needs one for round 1 and one for round 2. So A, B, G, D must get covered in by P and Q. No composer who assigned item to Rani assigned any item to Samragni. So very similarly, RS will also have all of ABGD. Then, third condition is the first performance was by Princess and this item was assigned by Badal. So Princess was the first one, which was Badal. That means no one else in round 1 will have Badal. It also means that in round 2, P will not have Badal. It also means Q will never get Badal. So just by giving this one information that P has Badal in round 1, all possibilities for Badal in round 1 are out. One possibility for Badal in round 2, that is for P, that is out, and Badal can never go with Q. We also know that the last performance was by Rani, which was done by Gagan. So I don't know who the second is or the third is, but I know that the last one, which means the eighth performance which is there, will be done by Rani, and that has been assigned by Gagan. That means Rani in round 1, we do not know who is there, but definitely it is not going to be G. We also know it is not going to be B because B is already taken for round 1. Now, we do not know who is second or third. We'll come back to it. We have more information here. The items assigned by Ashman were performed consecutively. How is that possible that the items assigned by Ashman are performed consecutively? Because if they are in the same round, then no performer, no music composer can repeat in the same round. So this is only possible if the last performance of round 1, which was done by Rani, that was designed by Ashman, and the first performance of round 2, which was done by Princess, that was done by Ashman. Only then you can have two consecutive performances. This is performance number 4, this is performance number 5. And now we don't know who are doing the second and third performances. So let me consider both cases. In one case, I will consider PQSR, for example, and in the other case, I will consider PSQR. See, P and R are fixed, and for P and R, BA and AG are fixed. Now let's try to fit in the other composers. P has B and A, Q cannot have B and A, so Q will have G and D. Now if Q will have G and D, G cannot be in round 2 because G is already here. So G must be in round 1. So D is here. Very similarly, Q must have G here and D here. Now we look at S. We know R is A and G. So if R is A and G, S must be B and D. So let's put B and D for S. B cannot be in round 1. So B comes here, D comes here. Very similarly, B cannot be in round 1. So D comes here and B comes here. So these are my two orders which are possible. Do I have more conditions? Yes. One more condition is the number of performances between items assigned by each of the remaining composers was the same. So we know that the gap for A is 0, there is no gap, but the gap for others should be the same. So let's look at this. B is first and 7th, so there is a gap of 6 for B. G is second and 8th, so there is a gap of 6 for G. D is third and 6th, so there is a gap of 3, which is not the same. So all these should have been the same. They should have been either 666 or 333, but they are not the same. That means this is not the case. Let's take this one. B is 1 and 6, so a gap of 5. D is 2 and 7, so another gap of 5. G is 3 and 8, so another gap of 5. So this is being maintained. That means this particular order is the correct order that we have made. Let's have a look at the questions now. Which of the following is true? The third performance was composed by Ashman. Now we know Ashman did 4 and 5. The second performance was composed by Gagan. I'll have to go back to my diagram. Gagan has done 3rd and 8th. So Gagan is 3 and 8. Third performance was by Diu. No, we just said that Gagan was 3 and 8. The second performance was by Diu. Yes, second as well as the 7th one, both of them were by Diu, and that means option 4 is my answer here. Which of the following is false? Princess did not perform any item composed by Diu. P has not performed anything by Diu. That is correct. So this is true. Queen did not perform any item composed by Gagan. Let's check that. Queen did not. So Queen has performed something by Gagan. That means this is false. And we had to find out which one is false. So Queen in round 1 performed the item composed by Gagan, making second statement as false or making second statement as our answer here. Let's look at the third one. The sixth performance was composed by whom? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth performance is done by B. So this is Badal, option 3. Let's look at the last question of this set. Which pair of performances were composed by the same composer? So 4th and 5th, these were consecutive performances which were done by Arman. The others, B, G and D, they all did performances at a gap of 5. So 1 and 6 were done by B, 2 and 7 were done by G, and 3 and 8 were done by D. So let's check. 1st and 6th are by the same composer. Yes, they are by B. 1st and 7th, no. 2nd and 6th, no. 3rd and 7th, no. So this is the one that we were looking for. Option 1 becomes our answer here. Should you attempt this question in the exam? Yes, definitely. Forming this order and having only 2 cases means that you are really lucky and you have picked up a really easy set. So you should definitely attempt it in the exam. Thank you.
Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of future videos.